What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's poppin'? It's your girl, Yungnesh, Daddy Nesh, fleekedbynesh, whatever you wanna call me, Nesh. And I'm back again with a motherfucking, this little joint, like little video. We're gonna get into this joint. So today's video consists of my makeup class. I know, it was supposed to have been out, but yeah. But it's out now, like we here now, it's fine, it's cool, it's straight, okay. But so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit about what my makeup class consisted of. So it was a step-by-step type of class. So I would do one side of my client's face and they would do the other. So well, not clients, but participants' face. So I would do, like, say we're on the eyebrows now, so I would do one side of their eyebrow and then they would mimic that one side of the eyebrow. We'd literally go step by step. Like, I'm talking, first we'd shade, they'd do their shading side of the eyebrow. Second, we would brush up the hairs, brush out the hairs, all of that, and then conceal. They would do that. So it's just like it was a one-on-one type of thing. I had two lovely participants. I had Lacey and Mary. Thank you guys so much for coming out to my makeup class. I appreciate you guys' support so much, and everyone who gave me their love and well wishes for my class. I thank you and appreciate you so much. So yeah. Also, little heads up, the ending of the video I recorded from the front camera of my phone. Why? I don't know. I didn't have anyone there to record for me at the end, so I was like, oh, let me use my front camera. Why not the back camera? These are questions that we all need answered, but we don't have answers. So yeah. But yeah, go ahead, check out this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe, baby girl. Alright, go check out that video. Let me know, talk to me. end of the video, y'all. Hey, I bet you noticed something a little different about me than what's in the video. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. I know it's my hair, but shh, okay, that doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Anyways, what do you guys think? Did you like it? I know it was short clips, fast, and everything like that, but would you guys like be interested in, like, I don't know, me holding another class somewhere in the DMV? Be like a class with like 5 people or something, you know, just us having fun. It'll be fun, lit. If you wanna, you know, let me know. You gotta comment down below, okay? Okay, let's have this little conversation. But yeah. So that was my makeup class. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys tune in for my next video. It's going to be lit. It's me doing what I do best, doing what I love, doing what makes me happy. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, make sure y'all motherfucking comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay. So what was it that I said? Let me just repeat it just in case you didn't hear it. Let me just repeat it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, and turn on the little bell notification so you know when I'm coming in. You know, tell your mama, your daddy, your grandpa, your grandma, auntie, uncle, your cousin, your second cousin, all your little cousins and everybody. I want your great aunt to know about me, okay? I want everybody in your family to know about me, cause we just gonna get fleeked together, like fleeked by Nesh. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you at. Just make it wonderful, make it peaceful. I love you. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Alright, see you guys in the next video.